you a graduate?
Yes, of course.
Eh? You're a graduate. You know, the way you look short, I don't see. Which school are you? Which school do you go?
University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
University of Nightingale Face. Is it?
University of Nigeria.
University of Nigeria. Yes, that is UNN. Is it UNN?
Yes, sir.
University of Nigeria is UNN?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Which course do you go? Which course do you do?
Igbo linguistics.
Igbo linguistics course. Yeah?
Igbo linguistics.
Is it what?
Igbo linguistics.
I don't know the problem of these church members. It say what?
Igbo linguistics.
Igbo limited.
Linguistics.
Eh?
Linguistics.
I can never say what I don't know again. Please, anybody that know what is talking, speak louder.
She said Igbo linguistic.
Hey! The grammar is too long. Igbo linguistic.
Where you dey, it make her win your soul. They go where they go. You are not the only soul that they try to win now. You are not the only sinner in the community. Please, back. There's no time.
This is my first. I said maybe come next week. This is my first.
You dey craze? Make I come next week. I come here to come win your soul. You say make I wait because as I see you, you are a perishable soul. Devil just they use your life.